Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kraken trading accounts for beginners. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Kraken trading account, start by visiting the Kraken website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password for your account. After that, accept the terms of service and click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification message from Kraken. Click the link provided in that email to verify your address. Once verified, log into your Kraken account using your email and password. You will be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your two-factor authentication. After securing your account, navigate to the Get Verified section. Choose the level of verification you need based on your trading plans. For basic trading, the starter verification level may suffice. Fill in your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Upload the required identification documents for verification. Submit your verification request and wait for Kraken to process it. Once verified, you can fund your account by navigating to the Funding tab. Select your preferred deposit method from the list of options available. Follow the instructions provided to transfer funds into your Kraken account. Once your deposit is confirmed, you are ready to start trading. To make your first trade, go to the Trade section of your account. Choose the crypto asset you want to buy or sell. Select the trading pair that corresponds to your chosen asset. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review the details. Click on Buy or Sell to execute your trade. Review your open trades and transaction history in the Orders section. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features, such as charts and tools. Keep practicing until you feel confident in navigating your Kraken account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.